welcome to episode 7. We're here at Autozone right now. Today's video is going to be how to polish your wheels for under $30. We're going to be switching to the iPhone because we're going to be heading inside and we don't want to take the camera. But yeah, thank you for all your support. And there's the guys.
First step. Polish. Depending on how big the wheels are, $7.99. But if you want to be safe, get this one right here, $12.99.
Alright guys, so we are back at the garage, and first step will be jack up the car and take off the wheels. Alright, so we got the wheel off. Now we're going to wash them and start stripping them.
What you doing to it, dog?
Just making sure all the dirt and debris is off. We're gonna have to clean them again once we put stripper on it and then scrape all the clear coat off.
Alright, so next step, what you gonna do? What you got there?
Yeah, we got some stripper right here. As you've seen in the intro, you can get a spray aircraft remover for like 20 bucks. But I have my own stripper, so it can go either way. It should work the same. And if you're doing this in the garage, make sure you wear some safety like respirator. It's for sure gonna smell. It's very toxic.
But yet he ain't got no gloves on, no mask on, and no eyewear protection.
I'm a professional. I would maybe recommend like taping off your wheels if you want, but it shouldn't like really affect the tire.
This is if you're balling on a budget. You a broke boy, you eating ramen noodles every day, and you're like, bro, I need my wheels to look better. What can I do?
Yeah.
This is gonna be it.
This is a budget thing you probably do.
If you look, you can kind of see it. The clear coat's starting to come up.
I would recommend on these for alloy wheels, not like, you know, one of those fancy wheels. I would just recommend for like doing OEM kind of, maybe rocking like OEM wheels for like me for like years. So you can see already, so they're coming off.
Yeah, y'all tired of seeing these stock wheels, huh?
Yeah. Thanks to Khalid, I actually got some 5 Love wheels finally.
Yeah, 5 Love coming soon.
Khalid, we're gonna do a video with him soon. And yeah, he hooked me up with some wheels. Just need some tires. And make sure you don't get this shit on your skin, because this shit will fucking burn.
Yeah, still no gloves. Probably put a little bit more, let it sit for about 30 minutes, see what happens.
Alright, so right now I'm just scraping it. You probably get that carbon brake for about $6 to $8 bucks. So I'm just scraping off all that clear coat off, and as you can see underneath, it's still like it's just kind of like old, worn like wheels. So we might have to like wet sand it or just regular sand or whatever.
Realistically, the right way to do it is to sand it down, but if you ain't got time for that and you just want to get it done because you gotta go to the meet tonight, take the clear off, throw some aluminum polish on it, and I'll be all right. But the real way to do it is to sand it down.
All right, so most likely we're gonna have to do another coat because it's not entirely perfect. There's still some clear coat near the rim of the wheel, and then Nate's gonna try the polish and see how it comes out.
Probably want to have a polishing ball or something like that, but remember, you're broke, you're eating ramen every night, so you ain't got no choice. So what you gotta do, alright, take this, it's kind of a lot, that's alright, spread it around, and rub it in. You can kind of see it pulling it off, it's starting to get darker.
So why is it turning black? Does it mean it's working or not?
That means it's working, it's cooking. It's cooking in the kitchen with the Pyrex, you heard? But see, if you had a polishing ball, it'd be less work and less of a headache. Right now, we don't have that. The more you work, the better it's gonna turn out. I don't even know how it's about to turn out, but we gonna see. What you doing, my boy?
For sure, you're gonna have to work into it, especially if you have some old ass wheels. There's not gonna be a single swipe. You know, you're gonna have to put some elbow grease in that bitch.
And obviously, if you sand it down, it'll be a lot better too. Pretty much all you gotta do, but you gotta keep working at it, keep going over and over. It's not really a quick process, but
I think I should get some gloves to help me, huh? Sure, bro. I put some on my glove, bro. You can get yourself a lastronin keychain on the website. Link is in the description below.
oh, and since you're here, go and hit that like button and go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you ain't.
And share it with your friends. Make them subscribe. Make them like the video and comment. You know, we're trying our best out here. Okay, everybody got to eat.
Run it up, man. We'll do another giveaway.
All right, so this is the budget. This is what I came up with.
I don't know what kind of contraption that is, but you're probably gonna go through a lot of rags like this, but so grab your old t-shirts, bandanas, socks, it don't matter. Okay, so this is without a sand, wet sand, or anything like that. You can see kind of the mirror. There's still imperfections. But compared to this, big difference. What we'll probably do is go ahead and put like a little wet sand on it and see if we can get it to pop a little bit more.
Basically, it's not a perfect wheel. We decided we're trying to get it almost to perfect, but not like, you know, again, this is a budget. So we're gonna wet sand starting with 400. I mean, whatever you have. If you don't have any sandpaper, it might be, I don't know, maybe like 20 bucks for a pack. Maybe even less. We're gonna start with 400. Wet sand.
Should they be worried about the scratches on there?
No. If you keep going higher with your grit, so you move from 400 to maybe like 600 to 800 to 1,000, and then 2,000, the scratches will come out, and then that's when you polish the wheels. For now, this 400, what you're trying to do, you could probably maybe start with 360. What you're doing is try to sand all the imperfections. So whatever you see that's not like a pure finish, you're gonna have to want to sand that out. As you can see here, clear coat, you might have to maybe even run some stripper again to get that out.
But for a budget, if you want to go from looking like this to even just like that,
Yeah, that's even still good.
30 bucks, can't really beat it. All right, what grit you using now?
We are using 600 grit. I had, luckily I had this in stock in my garage. So right now we're just gonna sand out all the 400 scratches. That's what you're doing when you move up. You're removing the scratches from the grit.
What you got now?
All right, so it's gonna be a big jump because what I have, just in what I have right now, is 1,500. Ideally, you want to do an 800, but for what I got right now, what I can find, I only have 1,500. So this is what we're gonna use. So I'm pretty sure it'll remove most of the scratches out, and especially if you use the mother polish, I'm pretty sure it'll come out. The scratches will come out. So just keep sanding.
Question for y'all, man. Do you like pineapples on your pizza? Drop a comment down below.
That shit hits, bro. I don't care what y'all say. You can put whatever shit on there. Pineapple fucking hits on pizza, honestly.
What you think?
Agreed. Say it's sweet, balances the, you know.
Yeah, sweet and savory.
Yeah.
Nah, bro, serial killers like fucking pineapples on their pizza, yo.
Alright, so new grit. This is gonna be my final grit. 2,000 grit. You might even get away with like 2,500 or 3,000 if you really want to be fucking like show card finish and then polish them after. So, but this is gonna be my final grit right now. So after this, we're gonna put the mother's polish again and see if sanding really makes a difference.
Hey, don't come at us in the comments, cause
we are amateurs, honestly. We are amateurs. We are fucking garage mechanics, you know, street fucking mechanics.
YouTube technicians. Don't come for us, yo. We'll get it done though.
Like honestly, like if you're like we're a drift team, so we go on the track, we don't really care if it's just gonna get fucked up.
I don't have a drift car for a reason yet. These prices kind of high.
You was kind of close getting to the IS 300, bro.
Drop a comment down below. What kind of drift car should I be getting, man?
So you get the typical S chassis, which is overrated right now, overpriced, or should you go like wander like something different, or I don't know.
I'm gonna get a Park Avenue Buick.
So right now, I just rinse off all the debris from the sanding and drying this up with a paper towel. And as you can see, it's kind of like faded. But once you hit the wheel with the mother's aluminum polish at AutoZone for $8, you'll see a big difference actually.
Let's see some of the imperfections that were there before.
Yeah, you can really see it now.
From the clear coat, they're kind of starting to go away.
And then honestly, if you really want to prevent corrosion and all the weather effects on it, you probably want to clear coat the wheels after you polish your wheels. So you don't really need much, like Nate said. I'm just gonna have a little finger there, just spread it around, and then just really rub it in there.
And if you got like an aluminum radiator or strut bar or anything like that, you can use the mothers on that too, and it'll have it looking good.
Yeah.
Alright, so we probably only been messing with this for, I don't know, an hour tops. You can kind of see the mirror on there. Still needs some more work, some sanding, but that compared to this, no reflection, clear coat all jacked up. Yeah, so pretty much the more you mess with it, the better it's gonna be.
Your best bang of your buck, so you know, spend about, I want to say it was originally $30, but what do you think? With all the like, sandpaper, so like maybe around like 50, less than 50.
50, but if you don't want to do the sandpaper step, it still probably come out pretty straight.
Alright guys, so it's next day. It was getting late last night, so we finished all the wheels on the car, polished and stuff. Everything's done. But yeah, that's it for episode 7. As for the radiator, it was supposed to be this video, but something happened with Brian and his homie that's fixing the radiator. But hopefully soon you guys will be able to see that video.
Yeah, man. Let us know what y'all want to see on the channel, like car meets, car shows, drifting, DIYs. You know, just let us know. Drop a comment down below. Like the video.
Like the video, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and hit the links on the description. Hit the Lastronin store. We got some stickers, Boston Flies Last, and yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching.
What are you leaning towards? See, that's what I will eat whatever you talking about. You just have to say.
Four cheese.
Ooh, I fuck with 4 cheese. That's a grip. That shit is grip though. That shit